Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject Mathematics. Chapter name Algebraic Expressions. Exercise 3.5. Lecture 1. Today's lesson. Forming and applying algebraic formulae in solving real life problems. Most of the math in this exercise you had already solved in class 7 and 8. Okay, just I'll repeat again. Here given some formula related to payable or attainable. Suppose Q this equal to amount of money payable or attainable per person and N number of person. Therefore, amount of payable or attainable money this equal to Qn and this denoted by capital A. Okay, that's mean this into this. Related to time and work. Q portion of work performed by everyone in unit of time. N number of performing of work. X total time of doing work. W portion of a work done by n persons in time X. Therefore total work, that's mean W this equal to Qnx, that's mean Q into N into X. Related to time and distance, this type of formula we had already known from the subject physics. Here V speed per hour, T total time, D distance. So distance this equal to velocity into time. Okay. Related to pipe and water tank. Suppose Q naught amount of stored water in a tank at the time of opening the pipe. Q equal to amount of water flowing in or flowing out by the pipe in a unit time. T equal to time taken. Qt amount of water in the tank in T time. Therefore Qt is equal to Q naught plus minus Qt. Okay, plus sign at the time of flowing of water in and minus sign at the time of flowing of water out are to be used. Okay. Related to percentage, B equal to total quantity or rate of percentage, that is denoted by S by 100 or S percent, and P part of percentage, S percent of this equal to B. Therefore P is equal to BR. Okay. Related to profit and loss, C equal to cost price or rate of profit or loss, S selling price, this equal to C into 1 plus minus R. In case of profit, here will be plus. In case of loss, here will be minus. Related to investment and profit, suppose I equal to profit after time N is equal to specific time, P equal to principal, R equal to rate of unit principal at unit time, A equal to principal with profit after N, after time N. In the case of simple profit, I equal to PNR, A equal to P into I, that's mean profit principal. This equal to P plus PNR. After taking common P, here will be 1 plus NR. And in the case of compound profit, A, or we can use C, this equal to P into 1 plus R to the power N. Okay, that type of formula we had already discussed in class 8. Okay. Now follow some solution. Rofik can do a work in 10 days and Shafiq can do that work in 15 days. In how many days do they together finish the work? Let they can finish the work in D days. You can use unitary method or by using table you can solve, no problem. Okay, here name days to complete, total days to complete the work, here 10 days, and part done in 1 day and part done in D day. That's mean in 10 days Rafiq can do one work. So 1 day Rafiq can do 1 divided by 10 work, and in D days he can do D divided by 10 part of work. Similar for Shafiq, or you can write like this way. Okay, part of work in 1 day, that's known by 10, part done in D day, that is D by 10. Similarly for Shafiq, 10 total he can complete the work in 15 days. So 1 day he can do 1 divided by 15 part of work, and in D days he can do D divided by 15 part of work. Okay, so in D day they can do D by 10 plus D by 15 part of work. Okay, so D by 10 plus D by 15, this equal to, we can write one work, that's mean total work according to question. Okay, now taking common D, as a result here will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, this equal to 1, or D into LCM will be 30, here 3 plus 2 divided by 30, this equal to 1, here will be 5, here will be 30, that's mean 5 by 30 mean 1 by 6, or you can write 5D by 30, this equal to 1, or D equal to 30 divided by 5, this equal to 6. Okay, therefore they together can finish the work in 6 days. Very easy math. Okay, follow this, you can easily solve in your book exercise 3.5, 14, 15 and 16, same math like as before solution. Okay, another, for a function of annual sports, members of an association made a budget of taka 45,000 and divided that every member would subscribe equally, but 5 members refused to subscribe. As a result, amount of subscription of each member increased by taka 15 per head. How many members are in the association? That's when we have to find the number of members of this association. Okay, solution, let the number of members of the association be X and amount of subscription per head be taka Q. As a result, total amount will be Q into X, but Q into X, this equal to, you can write 45,000. That's mean this. Actually, number of members were X minus 5 and amount of subscription per head became taka Q plus 15. That's mean as 15 members refuse to subscribe, so actual member X minus 5, but the subscription of its member increased 15 taka, but before was Q, as increased by taka 15, so now subscription per head be taka Q plus 15. So this into this will be the total subscription. As a result, this into this also equal to, we can write 45,000. Clear? So according to question, one will be Qx is equal to this. This is equation number 1, and another one is Qx, this equal to 45,000. This is equation number 2. That's mean Qx is equal to 45. So 45, this also we can write Qx, no problem. Now from 1 we get here qx this equal to this. Now multiplying, here will be qx minus 5q plus 15x minus 75. Both side qx cut. Here will be 15x minus 75. Okay, this convert into left side. Now here common 5, as a result here will be 3x minus 15. Therefore q is equal to, divided both side by 5, will get 3x minus 15. Now putting the value of q into, we get q into x mean, here q mean 3x minus 15 into x. Now multiplying, here will be 3x square minus 15x, and right side will be 45,000. Now this convert into left side, will get this. Okay, and here will be middle factor minus 125, x plus 120. Here this fixed. Now take common here x, here will be x minus 125 plus 120 common, here will be x minus 125. Therefore this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So this equal to 125 and this equal to minus 120. But a number of person cannot be negative. So the total number of members or person of this association will be 125. This is the required answer. Follow this, you can easily solve 17 number in your book, exercise 3.5, same math. Okay. Example 36. A boatman can row x kilometer in time t1 hour against the current. To cover that distance along the current, he takes t2 hour. How much in the speed of the boat and speed of the current? So at first you have to let speed of the boat in still water be u kilometer per hour and that of current be v kilometer per hour. Okay. Therefore along the current, effective speed of boat, that will be speed of boat in still water and speed of current, that's mean v plus u or u plus v kilometer per hour, and against the current, speed of boat minus speed of current, that's mean u minus v kilometer per hour. We know speed this equal to distance traversed by time or distance divided by time. Okay, therefore u plus v this equal to will be what? Along the current, distance here, total distance, if we let, or here given x, so x divided by t2 and 1, another will be u minus v this equal to x divided by t1, that's mean follow here u plus v equal to x by t2, that's mean distance by time, and another one u minus v this equal to distance by time. Okay, adding 1 and 2 we get 2u because v and this v cut, here is minus, here is plus, and right side will be x by t2 plus x by t1. After taking common x, 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2. Therefore u is equal to x divided by 2, this 2 convert into right side, here will be divide 1 divided by t1 plus 1 divided by t2. In similar way, subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get 2v this equal to x by t2 minus x by t1. This equal to, after taking common x, here will be 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1, or v this equal to x by 2 into 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1. Therefore speed of current is this and speed of boat this equal to this kilometer per hour. Okay, follow this, you can easily solve 18 and 19 number math. Okay, in your book exercise 3.5. Finally, example 37. A pipe can fill up an empty tank in 12 minutes. Another pipe follows out 14 liters of water per minute. If the two pipes are opened together and the empty tank is filled up in 96 minutes, how much water does the tank contain? Okay, Solution: let x liter of water follows in per minute by the first pipe, okay, and the tank contain y liter of water. As the first pipe can fill up an empty tank in 12 minutes and x liter of water follows in per minute. So in 12 minutes, first pipe can fill up 12 into x liter of water, and this equal to, we can write y, because the tank contain y liter of water. Okay, according to question, y is equal to 12x, because in 1 minute, in here given in 12 minutes, total water contained in the tank will be 12 into x, because in 1 meter first pipe can fill up x liter of water. Therefore in 12 minutes will be 12 into x liter of water. Okay, and again the tank contain y liter of water. So according to question, y is equal to 12x. Clear? Again the empty tank is filled up by the two pipes together in 96 minutes will be y, this equal to 96 into x minus 96 into 14, because in 96 minutes two pipes can fill up the empty tank. When that's mean two pipes are open, first pipe can fill up the tank and second pipe out of water follows out from the tank. So in 96 minutes second pipe follows water 96 into 14, because per minute second pipe follows out 14 liter of water here given. So in 96 minutes will be 96 into 14 liter of water. Okay, and first pipe can fill up 96 into x liter of water, because in 1 minute first pipe can fill up x liter of water. So in 96 minutes first pipe can fill up 96 into x liter of water. So 96 x minus 96 into 14, this equal to y. Clear? Now from 1 we can use here x is equal to y divided by 12 and putting here, that's mean x is equal to y by 12. Putting the value of x in equation 2, we get y equal to 96 into y divided by 12 minus 96 into 14. After calculating, we'll get y is equal to 96 into 14 by 7. This is equal to 192. Therefore, total 192 liter of water is contained in the tank. Okay, this is a required answer. Follow this, you can easily solve 20 and 21 number. Okay, so the student you will complete 1 up to 21. Here 1 up to 13 that are MCQ. That's mean 14 up to 21 you have to solve. And date of submission 27/7/2021. That's mean after Eid you have to submit. Okay, and this type of math as you had solved in class 7 and 8, so I think that everybody will solve easily in this exercise. Okay, so today up to this, thank you to all everyone.